Hello guys, it's Shirley from WTI and look at this beautiful lamp. This lamp, as you can see, is an average size and adds a lovely touch to your bedside table. It has a warm light tone that makes you feel cozy and relaxed. And if you don't want the light to be too strong, you can adjust the brightness with this little wheel. And I personally love this light because I can do anything in my bed with this light and feel very comfortable and very relaxed. And if you're looking for an elegant and functional way to light up your bedroom, this lamp is for you. With its modern design, this lamp provides bright and smooth lighting that will transform any space. And something very interesting is that it has two USB ports. And if you're lazy like me, if you don't want to get up to plug in your phone or the devices far away, that lamp is for you. And that's my point of view.